Yes, children. Now, today we will see how to predict the position of an element through electronic configuration. You know to write electronic configuration. All of you know, is it not? First shell, that is, you have K shell, then L shell, then M shell, then N shell, like that you have. K can accommodate 2 electrons, L can accommodate 8 electrons, M also can accommodate 8 electrons. Like this you have already studied, right? Okay. Now, I have given you the atomic number. It is 11. So, you know to write the electronic configuration. It is 281. So, these 11, what does it tell you? It tells you the number of protons and the number of electrons. And electrons are distributed outside the nucleus and protons are there inside the nucleus. Now here, once you write the electronic configuration, from here what you understand, the number of electrons present in the valence shell. Valence shell is what? Outermost shell. Outermost shell में कितने electrons है? There is only one electron. Okay. So how many ever electrons are there in the valence shell? That tells you the group number. So if there is one electron, then the group number is 1. Okay. So element A belongs to first group. Okay. And what is the period number? You know very well periodic table में क्या होता है? Group and period. Group, they are vertical columns and periods are horizontal rows, right? So what is the group number and period number? If you know that, then that means you are able to predict the position of that element in the periodic table. Okay. Now you have understood what is or how to derive group number. The number of valence electrons, that will give you group number. So if 1 is the number of valence electron, that means the element belongs to group 1, right? Now what is the period number? Now this is atomic number. Atomic number is 11, means 11 protons and 11 electrons. This you know it. Now these 11 electrons, in how many shells they have been distributed? They have been distributed in 3 shells. Okay. Either you understand like this or tell me which is the valence shell. Third shell is the valence shell. First, second, third. Okay. If third shell is the valence shell, then period number is also third. Group number is obtained from the number of electrons in the valence shell, and period number is obtained from which shell is the valence shell. Second shell है, third shell है, fourth shell है, जो भी shell है वही period number है. ठीक है? So this belongs to third period and group 1. Okay. So what you have to understand, the number of valence electrons depict the group number, and number of valence shell, which is the valence shell? Third shell. So that is the period number. Period number is 3. Okay. So if you say atomic number is 11, again the same thing I explained already, 11 electrons and 11 protons. 11 electrons are distributed in 3 shells. So period number is 3. जितनी shells में उसको distribute करोगे, that is the period number. और whichever is the valence shell, that is the period number. और group number क्या होता है? जितना electron valence shell में होंगे, that is the group number. If it is 1, then the group number is 1. If the valence shell electrons are 2 in number, then the group number is 2. Now look at the next example. Atomic number is 20. So electronic configuration is 2882. This you know to write, right? Now tell me what is a group number and period number. Group number, I told you, how many ever electrons are there in the valence shell. Which is the valence shell? Outermost shell. Outermost shell में how many electrons? 2 electrons. So group number is 2. Now which is the outermost shell? First, second, third, fourth. So fourth shell is the outermost shell. So period number is 4. Clear? So 2 electrons in valence shell. So group number is 2. Fourth shell is the valence shell. So period number is 4. Or you can say this 20 electrons are distributed in 4 shells. So period number is 4. In whichever way it is convenient to you, you can understand. Now let us see one more example. Okay. Atomic number 6. Now electronic configuration will be 2, 4. Is it not? First shell can accommodate 2, then the rest will go to the second shell. Okay. Now, what is the group number? You will be expecting, अभी बोला था मैम ने वैलेंस शेल में जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वही ग्रुप नंबर है. So you will be tempted to write that the group number is 4, but it is not 4. It is 14. Okay. And period number is 2. In how many shells? 2 shells में distribute हुआ. Which is the valence shell? Second shell is the valence shell. So period number is 2. अब ये 14 कैसे आया? Try to understand one thing. If the number of valence electrons are 3 or above 3, if the valence shell electrons are, if it is 1, then group number is 1. If it is 2, then group number is 2. If it is 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, 7, 8, then what you do? You add 10 to get the group number. Is that clear? So please remember, if the valence electrons are 1 or 2, then group number is also 1 or 2. But if the valence electrons are 3 से लेके 8 तक है, आपने क्या करना है? हर एक के साथ +10 ऐड करके ग्रुप नंबर बताना है. That is why 4 plus 10 is 14. Right? So in the above case, valence electrons are 4 in number. Add 10 to it. So you get 14. So 14 is the group number. Valence shell is the second shell. Second shell is the valence shell, is it not? 2, 4. K shell, L shell. Second shell is the valence shell. So period number is 2. Okay. Now let us do one more example. Atomic number 17. Configuration is 287. Right? So 287 means your group number is 17. I told you 3 से लेके 8 तक जो भी होता है वैलेंस शेल में +10 ऐड करो to get the group number. Okay? So group number is 17. This is all with reference to modern periodic table. So you have to add 10. Then what is the period number? First shell, second shell, third shell. The third shell is the valence shell. So period number is 3. So the element belongs to 17th group and third period. Right? Now, based on that, I have made a table here. Now you are going to fill it up and let me know. From helium to calcium, I have given all the elements. Atomic number I have given. Electronic configuration also I have given. You just have to tell me what is their group number and period number. These two columns you are going to fill and show me. Right?